Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down and find the option Notifications and Quick Settings. Here we have to tap on Status Bar at the top. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the battery, the style and the percentage. Basically, the percentage strongly depends actually on the battery style. Right now we've got the vertical option applied, and all we can do with the battery is to turn it on or off just by using this switcher. So this is how to show battery percentage on the status bar. However, if we will have the horizontal option, which is right here, let's tap on it, immediately we will see different options connected with the battery percentage, because after tapping on it we've got three different options. So we can do not show it at all, we can show it outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. And this is the only way to show the percentage inside the battery icon. I mean choosing the horizontal one, because in the loop option again we've got only the switcher to turn it on and off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.